Welcome back to Vitality Vision. Today, we're diving into the world of natural remedies and exploring the power of anti-inflammatory drinks. That's right, we're talking about delicious beverages that can help you combat inflammation from the inside out. Inflammation is a natural process that our bodies use to protect themselves from injury and infection. But when inflammation becomes chronic, it can lead to a whole host of health problems like heart disease, arthritis, and even cancer. Now, I'm not saying that these drinks are a magic cure-all, but incorporating them into your routine can definitely give your body that extra support it needs to fight inflammation and promote overall well-being. So, if you're ready to unlock the power of nature's medicine cabinet and learn how to make simple yet effective anti-inflammatory drinks at home, then stick around. We'll be diving into 4 fantastic options, breaking down their benefits, and most importantly, showing you how easy they are to prepare. Before we start, if you enjoy our content, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Leave a comment below with your thoughts and share this video with anyone who might find it helpful. Your support means the world to us and helps us continue to bring you valuable information. Let's kick things off with a classic, turmeric tea, often dubbed the golden elixir for its vibrant color and potent health benefits. This drink gets its anti-inflammatory superpower from a compound called curcumin, which is found in turmeric root. Curcumin is like the superhero of the spice world, battling inflammation and protecting your cells from damage. Now, you might be thinking, can I just sprinkle some turmeric on my food? Well, you can. But to truly unlock the full potential of curcumin, it's best to consume it in a drink like this turmeric tea. Why? Because adding a pinch of black pepper to the mix significantly enhances curcumin's absorption in your body. Black pepper contains a compound called piperine, which acts like curcumin's trusty sidekick, helping it get absorbed more effectively. To make this golden elixir, simply add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder to a cup of hot water. Then, add a pinch of black pepper. About 1/8 of a teaspoon is perfect. If you want to add a touch of sweetness, feel free to drizzle in some honey or maple syrup. Give it a good stir, and your turmeric tea is ready. One of the things I love most about turmeric tea is its versatility. You can enjoy it hot or cold, making it a perfect beverage any time of day. And if you're feeling adventurous, you can even add other anti-inflammatory ingredients like ginger or cinnamon to create your own unique blend. But beyond its taste and versatility, what really sets turmeric tea apart is its incredible ability to fight inflammation. Studies have shown that curcumin can be as effective as some anti-inflammatory drugs in reducing pain and inflammation, particularly in conditions like arthritis. So, if you're looking for a natural and delicious way to combat inflammation, give turmeric tea a try. Your body will thank you. Next up, we have a drink that's as refreshing as it is healthy: ginger lemon water. This zesty beverage combines the anti-inflammatory power of ginger with the immune-boosting properties of lemon, creating a drink that's both delicious and beneficial. Ginger, the star of this drink, contains a compound called gingerol, which is responsible for its pungent taste and its impressive anti-inflammatory effects. Gingerol works by blocking the production of inflammatory chemicals in the body, helping to reduce pain and swelling. And let's not forget about lemon, the other powerhouse ingredient in this drink. Lemons are packed with vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. They also contain other beneficial compounds that can help boost your immune system and reduce inflammation. Making ginger lemon water is incredibly easy. Simply wash and thinly slice a 1-inch piece of fresh ginger. Add the ginger slices to a cup of hot water and let it steep for about 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the ginger's beneficial compounds to infuse into the water. Once steeped, remove the ginger slices and add the juice of half a lemon to the water. You can adjust the amount of lemon juice to your liking. Now, if you prefer a sweeter drink, feel free to add a teaspoon of honey or maple syrup. Give it a good stir, and your ginger lemon water is ready to enjoy. One of the best things about ginger lemon water is that it's incredibly versatile. You can enjoy it warm on a chilly morning or cool and refreshing on a hot summer day. It's also a great drink to sip on after a meal, as it can aid in digestion. But beyond its refreshing taste and versatility, what truly sets ginger lemon water apart is its ability to combat inflammation. Studies have shown that ginger can be effective in reducing pain and inflammation associated with osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, and muscle soreness. So, if you're looking for a delicious and refreshing way to incorporate the anti-inflammatory benefits of ginger and lemon into your diet, give ginger lemon water a try. Now, let's move on to a drink that's been revered for centuries for its health benefits: green tea. This ancient beverage is packed with antioxidants, particularly a group called catechins, which are responsible for its potent anti-inflammatory effects. Among these catechins, the most powerful one is epigallocatechin galat, or EGCG for short. EGCG is a true warrior when it comes to fighting inflammation. It works by blocking the production of inflammatory chemicals in the body, similar to how gingerol works. But that's not all. EGCG also helps protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals, those unstable molecules that can wreak havoc on your body. Free radicals are like tiny troublemakers that can damage your DNA and contribute to aging and various diseases. Antioxidants like EGCG neutralize these free radicals, preventing them from causing harm. Making green tea is incredibly simple. You can use either loose leaf green tea or tea bags, whichever you prefer. Heat fresh water to a simmer, not quite boiling, as boiling water can make green tea taste bitter. Add your tea leaves or tea bag to a cup and pour the hot water over it. Let it steep for 2 to 3 minutes. Oversteeping can also make green tea bitter, so it's best to stick to the recommended steeping time. Once steeped, remove the tea leaves or tea bag and your green tea is ready to enjoy. You can drink it plain or add a touch of honey or lemon juice for flavor. What I love most about green tea is its subtle, earthy flavor that's both refreshing and calming. It's a perfect drink to sip on any time of day, whether you need a morning pick-me-up or a relaxing evening beverage. But beyond its refreshing taste and calming properties, what truly sets green tea apart is its impressive ability to fight inflammation. Studies have shown that EGCG, the powerful antioxidant in green tea, can be effective in reducing pain and inflammation associated with various conditions, including arthritis, inflammatory bowel disease, and even certain types of cancer. So, if you're looking for a natural and delicious way to incorporate the anti-inflammatory benefits of green tea into your diet, give this ancient beverage a try. Last but not least, we have a drink that's as delicious as it is beneficial: Tart cherry juice. Don't let the tart in its name deter you. This vibrant red juice is packed with nutrients and boasts impressive anti-inflammatory properties. The secret weapon of tart cherry juice lies in its high concentration of anthocyanins. These powerful antioxidants give tart cherries their vibrant color and are responsible for their incredible health benefits. Anthocyanins work by neutralizing free radicals and reducing inflammation throughout the body. One of the most well-researched benefits of tart cherry juice is its ability to reduce muscle soreness and inflammation after exercise. Studies have shown that athletes who consume tart cherry juice experience less muscle damage and recover faster after strenuous workouts. But the benefits of tart cherry juice go far beyond athletic performance. It's also been shown to improve sleep quality, reduce the risk of gout attacks, and even alleviate symptoms of osteoarthritis. Now, when choosing tart cherry juice, it's best to opt for unsweetened varieties to avoid added sugars. You can find tart cherry juice at most grocery stores, either in the juice aisle or the health food section. You can enjoy tart cherry juice straight up, or get creative and add it to smoothies, yogurt bowls, or even salad dressings. Its slightly tart flavor pairs well with a variety of ingredients. What I love most about tart cherry juice is its versatility and its ability to provide relief from inflammation in a natural and delicious way. Whether you're an athlete looking to speed up recovery, someone struggling with joint pain, or simply want to incorporate more antioxidants into your diet, Tart cherry juice is definitely worth adding to your shopping list. So there you have it. 4 incredible anti-inflammatory drinks that you can easily incorporate into your daily routine. Remember, these drinks are not a magic cure-all, but they can be powerful allies in your journey towards better health and well-being. I encourage you to try making these drinks at home and experience their benefits firsthand. Whether you start your day with a warm cup of turmeric tea, rehydrate with refreshing ginger lemon water, find solace in a cup of green tea, or enjoy the tart goodness of cherry juice, there's an anti-inflammatory drink out there for everyone. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more health and wellness tips. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads. If you're interested in trying out the recipes I used in this video, I'll have all the links for them down in the description box below. Don't forget to check them out and let me know what you think. Feel free to tweak it to match your style. Remember, this information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only and is not intended as medical advice. Always consult with a qualified healthcare provider before making any changes to your healthcare regimen or for medical advice regarding any symptoms or medical conditions. Never disregard professional medical advice or delay in seeking it because of something you have read or heard on this channel. Until next time, stay healthy and take care.